What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the electric car Kia EV6 has become the fastest car in the brand. It accelerates to 100 km per hour only in 3.5 seconds. Massive electric cars will give users the dynamic of sports car in everyday life. And today we are going to discuss this in detail, including the characteristics, features, design, price, release date, and much more. Please watch the full video content. Kia has revealed the characteristics of the EV6 electric hatchback, the brother but not twin of the previously announced Hyundai Ioniq 5. Like a relative in the concern, the Kia EV6 is offered with two options for traction batteries and two options for power plants. The car can be rear wheel or all-wheel drive. The highest mileage is provided by the single-engine version with a high-capacity traction battery, over 510 km on a single charge. And in total, the Kia EV6 has 5 versions: basic with a 58 kWh battery, 170 HP electric motor, and a power reserve of about 400 km. The all-wheel drive version with a traction battery of the same capacity is more powerful, 235 HP, but its autonomy is slightly less, about 380 km. EV6 with a traction battery with a capacity of 77.4 kWh, and in a mono drive version, here are the power is slightly higher than in the version with the base battery, 228 HP, is able to demonstrate the same 510 km on a single charge. As we already mentioned in the video, the power of the variant with the same battery but all-wheel drive, 325 HP. Finally, at the top of the gamut is the EV6 GT with two electric motors with a total power of 585 HP, acceleration to 100 km per hour only in 3.5 seconds, and a top speed of about 260 km per hour. For comparison, the Stinger GT was previously the fastest Kia, accelerating to 100 km per hour in 4.9 seconds. The Kia EV6 is built on the same modular eGMP platform as the Hyundai Ioniq 5, so it also supports charging from 350 watt fast terminals. With their help, the electric car is charged from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes. Reverse charging is also provided. From the EV6, you can power various electrical appliances or even try to recharge another electric vehicle. The maximum power in this case is up to 3.6 kilowatts. Kia also showed the interior of the novelty, in which, for example, a panoramic front panel with two curved 12.3 inches display, a projection on the windshield, seats made from the recycled waste, and with artificial leather trim, all for the sake of environmental friendliness. Of course, various driving assistance systems are provided. It should be noted that, despite its compactness, the length is 4.68 m, the car turned out to be very spacious. Its wheelbase is an impressive 2.9 m. The trunk volume is 520 liters. And in the mono-drive versions, there is also front compartment for things with a volume of 52 liters. Alas, Kia has just revealed the EV6 pricing. According to rumors, the price of the car in the basic version will be approximately $40,000. Sales should begin this year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.